Okay, today we're going to add your website to Google Analytics so you can track all of your traffic coming in, where it came from, get all kinds of information on that. If you haven't heard of it, um, then I highly recommend that you watch this video and do this. It's completely free. This will be integrating Google Analytics on a WordPress website. You can do it on other sites as well, but this one's specific to WordPress because almost all of you are running WordPress. So the first thing to do is go to Google, type in Google Analytics, sign up for a free account. You do have to have a Gmail account. So if you don't have a Gmail account, like always, make one. And then once you get into Google Analytics, you will start by clicking Admin, Create Account. Today we're going to be making one for the site called Lake George Campground. So just name it your website. Read all this, make sure it's checked, hit next. It's going to be a website. Next. Put in your name again. We're going to put in the domain only. This is going to be a secure site. We can talk about the difference between HTTP and HTTPS in a different video. HTTPS is a secure website. You get the little lock up here when it's an HTTPS. If it's not an HTTPS, you definitely want to change that and get an SSL certificate installed so you have that little lock. Without it, Google really hinders your ability to rank in search engines. Let's see, what are we going to call this? It's kind of irrelevant what you select here. I'm just going to hit other. It doesn't change anything. We're going to create. We're going to read all that, accept it, read all that, accept it, hit I accept. You now are done. You take this code, which is the tracking code. You come over to your WordPress. Most WordPress sites have a footer area, and you can drop it into here. You also could get a free plugin for Google Analytics and drop the code into there. It ensures that the tracking code is on every single page of the website because you want to track the whole thing. We're going to drop an HTML box here. Put the code, the tracking code in there. Hit save. It's now tracking. We're going to load the page so we can go back here. And as you can see, there's one active user. This shows you that the tracking code is working. So it's that easy. If you need any help, feel free to contact me.